Hi, I'm Danny Lipford. It's no secret that the world today has gotten pretty noisy, so your home should offer some relief from all of that, right? Well, it can if you use the Purple SoundBreak family of products to help reduce the transfer of unwanted sound throughout your home. For example, if you live in a multi-story home, SoundBreak ceiling board is a great choice to reduce the transmission of noise between floors. That means you get to sleep even when the kids upstairs are still listening to music. For older homes that need some peace and quiet, the SoundBreak retrofit board installs right over the existing drywall to reduce sound transmission between spaces. At just over 1/4 of an inch thick, it doesn't require demolition or major modifications to install. And for new construction or renovations, SoundBreak wallboard is a great way to keep the sound in a media room or out of a bedroom. Whether you're building or remodeling, when noise or the lack of it is important, the SoundBreak family of products provided by National Gypsum can help you keep the peace in your home. So get the performance you deserve. Ask for Purple.